welcome to TaskFino. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the notice menu works for TaskFino. So inside the HRMS, there is a submenu named Notice. In Notice, you can send any notice to your employees. If there is any holiday or if there is any announcement, you can easily use this feature and can send an email notification to your employees. Just click on Publish New Notice and give a title to your notice, and you can select the recipient type. For example, if you want to send the notice to any specific department, just select here department and all the departments will be appear here. For example, if I want to send the notice only to the business development department, I just select this, and you can select actually multiple departments also. And after that, if you want any particular employee not to receive this notice, then you can select the accept employees from here. I want here all the business development department employees came here. I want that Sarah shouldn't receive this notice. I just selected her name and just write the whole notice and click on send notice, and your notice will be sent to the particular recipient. As I didn't fill up the title, it is showing an error. Okay, for example, I sent this notice to some of the employees. So clicking on here, you will see the notice. This was actually the notice, and it was published on March 12, 2025, and the notice type is notice for all the employees, and here is the list of the recipients. So using this notice module, you can send notice as well as you can keep a track record of all the notice of your office. Isn't it very interesting feature for your company? Of course it is. Thank you so much for watching the video.